Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. As researching some AI companies, come across this article, Fintech AI Sector Snapshot, and come across a couple different stocks here, so I thought I'd break a couple of those down. One is GBT Technologies, ticker is GTCH. As you can see, trades over the counter, so you can't get this one on Robinhood. You'd have to try Fidelity or TD Ameritrade or one of the other major brokerages. But you can kind of see this one's currently at 2 cents. Show you what it's done here over the last year. So it's been kind of in this penny. Looks like it ran up to 4 cents there. 1 cent, it went up to 6-7 cents back in January, so this one's kind of volatile at times. Back to 2 cents, currently at 2 cents. Here's what it's done over the performance: 5-day, 6-month up 99%, 1 year 161%. But a little breakdown of what they are, what they do: develop software and mobile chip design solutions. Company focuses on Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. And so that's kind of what caught my eye, and come across some information here. Kind of an interesting company. They filed a financial software application patent. You can see here on the 21st, provisional patent for systems and methods of a financial software application to prioritize and consolidate credit cards charge system. And as you know, everything's going to be, well, pretty much everything is already a lot of credit cards, debit cards. I don't really see too many people using cash. I don't know what the percentage is. I never use cash. I always use a card. Plus it helps build up your credit. So system is targeted to use GBT's patented database management technology and empowered by its artificial intelligence technology. Software design contemplates an automatic characterize and prioritize consolidation of different credit cards into one card method, point of sale, smartphone applications, and computer software. And feel free to pause and go over the rest here for yourself. I'm not going to read all the information to you. But again, it's in Fintech, AI, credit card. So kind of the best of all the above, if you ask me. So plus it's a penny stock, and at 2 cents, try a couple shares and stick in the big toe, or just the tip, if you will, and see where that gets you for a while. And that's kind of how I look at it. So even if I showed you kind of some of the volatility in it, so even if you got it at 2 cents and it ran up to 6 cents, that wouldn't be too bad. So but again, their artificial intelligence enabled mobile technology platform used to increase IC performance. Once commercialized, its GBT goal is to have a suite of products including smart microchips, AI, which I've talked about numerous times, encryption, blockchain I've talked about, mobile security, data management protocols, and so on. So quite a few different things here, to quite a few different catalysts in my mind that could run this one up. GBT Tokenize achieved viable Kirlian electrophotography techniques conclusions. And this is just dated on the 29th. Possible help related correlations and application implementations. The Kirlian techniques potentially aimed for inclusion with the Q-term device are based on the phenomenon known as electrical coronal discharge. Images that are taken using these techniques present a colorful so-called aura, which is interpreted in a variety of ways. The human body emits various radiations, such as electromagnetic radiation, infrared, low-level visible light, and ultraviolet radiation. So kind of another catalyst I thought that would run this one up, as they're also into healthcare, different radiations, electromagnetic radiation. And so I was reading all what they do, and I thought this would be another pretty decent catalyst to run this one up. So we'll wait and see what it does. But as I showed you, can be kind of a volatile one at times. So any penny stock, not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, but you want to be cautious with all of these, and if you're getting into them, as they can kind of run up. So just set your alerts, set your stops, whatever you have to do, buy the dips, however you want to do it. But again, I don't tell you when not to do any of that. So here's kind of some more information about them. Enabled mobile technology platform, AI, encryption, blockchain, so everything that I talk about here on the channel, everything moving forward in the future. So we'll see where this one runs up to, and where it finds some support. So they're also commencing research on external device for arterial clogs, which could be huge, and tissue imaging based on its proprietary radio technology. And as you can see, this is just dated here, so May the 4th be with you. For those Star Wars fans, is researching an external device for arterial and tissue imaging based on proprietary radio technology combined with the company's robotic research. And so I thought this would be a major one as well. The main advantage of the contemplated system is its pure non-invasive nature. The research is part of a Hermes capsule research project. The Hermes capsule research targets an intravenous mini-probe unit that travels within the artery, searching to find arterial clogs. Hermes units is based on radio waves based imaging to produce a computerized 3D imaging of the operating physician. So again, could be a huge catalyst on this one, and feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. 3D imaging, which is helpful in these particular types of ultrasounds and searching in arteries. And again, this is found on Markets Insider. So feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Not much here on Reddit. And StockTwits, currently at 2 cents. Basically, what I can see, everybody here is bullish on this one. Just talking about the research, the arteries, everything that we just went over. This is the only thing that I can see bad about the company, is it still has 1.7 billion shares to go. So take that for whatever it's worth. Nothing here on tip rings, but that's about it for this one on GBT Technologies, ticker GTCH. If you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis and any other information you want to provide. That would be interesting to know. And smash that like button, hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.